welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to do long division like a pro in 5 minutes. Let's get started. So before we start, I'd like you to try and do these 2 division questions. They are very simple. I'll give you 1 minute to do it. It has been 10 seconds. Now let's see if you got it correct. The first thing you do is 7 divided by 1, which is 0. And now that we've done 0, you bring the 1 over. So it's 13 divided by 7. How many times does 13 go into 7? It goes into it once. Now that is 13 take away 7. You take away 7, take away 3. Carry 0, 1. It's 13 take away 7, which is 6. Now you bring down your 2 because next column you're in right now. Now 62 divided by 7. What is 62 divided by 7? It is 7 times 8 is 56. So 8 you put up because that's how many times it goes in. And now 56 take away 62, which is 6. And now this is your remainder because 7 can't go into 6 any more times, obviously. Now 297. 2 can go into 9 4 times, but there's 1 remaining, so it's a 17 now. How many times does 2 go into 17? It is 8 times, which is 16. So 16 take away is 1 and R1. And I'm going to teach you how to do it. So, in case you don't know the multiplications, you just write the digit here, like 6, 12, 18, 24, all the numbers. And I'll teach you how to do it. 30, 36, all right. So how many times does 6 go into 1? It can't go into it at once. So it's a 0. Now it's 17. So how many times is 17 divided by 6 now? That is how much? Let's look. It can't go into 18 because that's 1 too high. It can go into 12, which is 2 times. 2 times you put up, and now you put 12 down here because you're taking away. So 17 take away 12 is 5. You bring down the 8 next. And now it is 58. How many times does it go in? We didn't write it big enough. Oops. 42, 48. Also, what's next? 54, 60. That is 58 take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, it goes into it 9 times. So you take away 58 from 54, which is 4. Now you bring down your 9, which is 49. And how many times does it go in? To 48, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes into it 8 times, and it's 48. Now 49 take away 48 is 1, and that is R1. If you didn't get that, don't worry. I'll show you one more right here. If you want and you don't know your multiplications, you could write it like here. But since I know my 5 times tables, I am not going to write it here. So 5 divided by 1 is 0 because 5 cannot go into 1 anymore. 5 divided by 16 is 3. And then you have 1 left. It's 15 take away 16 because 5 times 3 is 15. Now you bring down your 7, which is 17. Now take away 15 because it goes into it 3 times again. And a 2. You bring down your 8, you got 28. 28 divided by 5 is 5. Which goes into it 25 times. Take away is 3. Now you bring down your 3. 33 divided by 5 is 6. Add 30, take away 33 is 3, which is R3. Final thing, we are going to do a little exam now. We have two pretty complicated questions because it is in the 15 and the 13 times tables. I want you to attempt this, and I'll be attempting this as well because I don't know the answer. So let's try this. All right, I got my answers now, and let's see if you guys are correct. The first answer is 01188R12, 075257R9. Thank you for watching. I hope this taught you, and goodbye.